Okay everyone, this is a Z190 starter chain. We're looking at, this is basically to run through ways you can prevent it from stretching the chain. One of which is obviously fit the 70% stronger decompressor spring. That really does help. This one is tired. As you can see, I can get my screwdriver straight through there. That's about 6 mm in diameter. And if I get it on the right side of the chain, she'll go straight through. A little bit tight there. Put it onto this top side. Yeah, it's not horrific, but it is quite bad. What happens is they tend to jump a tooth on this one. You can see I can almost pull that one over there. And as they jump a tooth, they get caught between there, either lock up and snap the chain, or they end up bursting out the crankcase. So reasons they do it, one of which is if the decompressor on startup is not working, they'll end up snapping them. And also if you're running a too fast or idle, that'll do it as well. Because when you turn it off, they tend to kick back and yank the starter motor backwards. I'm going to demonstrate that now. I'm going to fire this one up. And if you watch the chain, I've rigged it so the idle's a bit high. No, I haven't. I'm going to turn it up. Around there. And I'm not on that side, but it probably has yanked the chain, the starter around. So I'm going to try it with a lower idle. Didn't sound like it yanked the starter back on that one. So you can see that's the difference between running a high idle and a low one. Then almost certainly if you're running a high one, they'll do it pretty much every time you turn it off. But it seems that that's the main reason what really stretches the chains is the fact that they are yanking the starter motor backwards. The 70% stronger spring does help, the decompressor spring. So we do advise to fit those. We're fitting them to all the new engines now, just as a matter of course, in case you know you want to make this last as long as possible. They will do anywhere between up to 1,000 miles, but that's all obviously, if not, you can get them even further than that. But it all depends on how many times they're turned off and how many times they either kick back. Right, hope that helps, and catch you later.